I'm back with you with this quick video. This is a surprise video, guys. I have been tagged. Okay, I'm doing a cleaning tab hosted by Lacee Space. Lacee is the host, but I've been tagged by my YouTube twin, Create with Cindy, and she and I call each other YouTube twins because we have so much in common until today. Okay, so the tag has 10 questions and I'm going to answer briefly about my cleaning methods, okay? The first question is, how often do you clean? Well, since I don't have babies running around or small children, I don't have to clean as often as some of the other moms. So once I do like my living room, my main area, that's it for me, like once a week. But I would do, of course, like wipe around, but basically any heavy cleaning, no, just once a week. Second one is, do you have a certain style or schedule? Well, of course, the kitchen is like an everyday event. You have to clean. And when it comes to dusting, I would do like maybe on a weekly basis because here in the desert, we do get a lot of dust, especially in the summer time when our like windows and stuff are open. So we do accumulate a lot of dust here. Third question is, what is your least favorite thing to clean? Bathrooms. Bathrooms, disgusting bathrooms, toilets, anything like that, under the sink, anything that's wet and grimy. Of course, it's my least thing to clean. I can't stand it, but you know, of course it has to be done, you know. The next question is, what is your favorite room to clean? You see my favorite place, my happy place back there, my closet. And the reason why it's my closet is because it doesn't get messy that often. Because once I just take my laundry out and clean it and dust around a little bit, hang my clothes back up, it's easy breezy. It's not much work back there. Okay, I'm not kind of person that will come in and throw clothes on the floor all over the place, or my closet is messy. No, I always have to keep my closet clean because I need to know, like, if I have to jump out and go somewhere, grab what I need to go. My perfume's back there, my smell goods are back there, my lotions and everything else, and I can just grab and go. I like to get pretty much organized, and I always keep that area organized. Next question, what is my least favorite chore? My least favorite chore is dishes. You know, I like to wake up in the morning, you know, after everything is cleaned at night, and you wake up and you open up all your windows and your blinds and everything is sparkling clean, and then you have to cook breakfast, you know, and then everything is just greasy and grimy all over again. It just drives me nuts, guys. So I would say dishes is my least favorite thing to clean. The next one is my favorite chore. I would say dusting. Dusting is pretty easy. It does, like I say, get dusty here a lot. But, you know, just put some music on and just get a nice rag and just dust. So to me, that's a simpler, easier thing to clean. And especially when I have a lot of glass, you know, Windexing is a lot. It doesn't bother me. But I would say between dusting and probably just wiping down like my table and stuff like that. And that is it. My favorite cleaning supply. Well, since I have discovered Mrs. Myers, that is, I have to say, is my new cleaning supplies. I love all her brands. When I used to always see like people do collabs with her, and I kept saying, oh, they're getting paid for it. They just going to do anything to get it. I'm like, when I was at my little Chica's house in the Christmas time, she had Mrs. Myers. So this is the first time I had a chance to use it, and I fell in love. It smells so amazing, guys. Amazing. So I really fell in love with that product. So that is my favorite product now. What is my least favorite? Bar keepers. Do you hear that, twinsy? Bar keepers. I always get a chalky film afterwards, and I feel as though I have to Windex everything all over again. So that is my least favorite. Share. Okay, the next question is to share your cleaning hacks. Let me tell you one thing. My new cleaning hack is, remember I went to Virginia to see my chica, I did some cleaning tabs. Well, let me tell you one thing. These babies that I made were amazing because it has the Mrs. Myers, it has your baking soda, it has everything in it, your cleaning supplies. I use these tabs for everything that I DIY'd. I put them in the toilet, the sink, the dishwasher. I'll put it in a bucket and I clean all my surfaces unless it's glass or wood. So I use it everywhere. I put it in my bathroom. I just soak it in my sinks, then wipe the whole counter off. Because it's just one cleaning tab with everything in there, I don't have to bring like my spray everywhere I go and the different cloths and the different surfaces. It's just one-stop cleaning, guys. I love it. You got to try it. Go check out that DIY. Okay, this is the last question, guys. Do you or will you use a cleaning service? Well, guys, that's why we have children. All right, guys, this is your More Girl. I'm going to leave on that note. And also, I just want to thank again, Lacee. Thanks again. I know this tag was back in January, but thanks again for hosting this for us. And also, my twinsy, love you, girl. Go check her channel out, Create by Cindy. And also, I need to tag someone, so I am going to tag the lovely Karen1310. So I'm hoping you're watching this video, Karen, because I want to hear your clean house tag. All right, guys, it's your More Girl, and welcome back, and thanks for watching this quick video. Thanks.